How can I increase the GoPro recording time beyond 5 minutes?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to explore ways to increase your GoPro's recording time beyond just 5 minutes. We'll cover all the settings and accessories you can adjust to get the most out of your camera. So, let's jump right in.
Why is my GoPro limiting to 5 minutes?
First off, you might be wondering why your GoPro is limiting you to just 5 minutes of recording. The reason could be due to the default settings on your device or the formatting of your SD card. Another reason could be the battery life or storage space. We will talk about these factors in the upcoming sections.
What settings should I change on my GoPro?
Now, let's get into the settings you should change on your GoPro. 1. Resolution and frame rate. The higher your resolution or frame rate, the more storage your video takes up. Consider reducing them if you don't need high-quality footage. 2. Looping mode. The looping mode is designed to capture a continuous video loop that records over itself until you press the shutter button to stop it and save. So, if you're limited to 5 minutes, ensure this mode is not enabled. 3. Auto power off. This feature automatically turns off the GoPro after a certain period of inactivity. Make sure it's set to Never. 4. ProTune. Enabling ProTune increases the amount of data used to capture your video, thus reducing recording time. Try disabling it if you're not particular about highly professional results.
What accessories can extend my GoPro's recording time?
If you've adjusted the settings and you're still running out of time, here are some accessories that can help. 1. External power source. Using a power bank can extend your GoPro's recording time, especially if you're filming stationary or long-duration shots. 2. Larger SD card. Your GoPro might be running out of storage space. A larger SD card will give you more room to record. 3. Additional batteries. If you're on the go and can't use a power bank, additional batteries can be a great option.
How should I format my SD card?
If you've tried everything else and your GoPro is still limiting you to 5 minutes, the problem could be your SD card. 1. Correct format. The card should be formatted as exFAT for 64 GB or larger, or FAT32 for 32 GB or smaller. 2. Official GoPro SD card. Sometimes, third-party cards can cause issues. If possible, use an official GoPro SD card. So, there you have it. You now know how to increase your GoPro's recording time beyond just 5 minutes. By changing a few settings and using the right accessories, you can capture longer and better videos. Remember to always test your GoPro before a big shoot to ensure everything works perfectly. Happy filming, everyone!